Hello everyone, I'm Jyoti here. Today, this is the second video from the second class, the concept of division, chapter number 5. Okay, in the previous video we had discussed about the formula for what is the quotient, what is the divisor and dividend. So in this video, in the previous video we are solving the exercise portion from 5.1 to 5.5. So today I want to show you, I want to explain you the exercise portion of 5.6 to 5.10. In this video I want to complete this whole things. So first of all we are starting from our exercise 5.6. Exercise 5.6. Here is the main heading, using the long division and find the quotient. Clear students? This is the heading for your 5.6 exercise. I want to clear the first part, sum number A. Nine three six divided by 3. Okay. These numbers we are divided by 3. So again the same method we can use to solve this sum. 3 table of 3, 3 3s are 9, what comes down? 3, 3 1s are 3, again nothing is there, and next what comes down again here is 3, again 3 1s are 3, here is nothing, and last digit is down, that is 6. 3 2s are 6 and last is nothing. Clear student? So this is the way that you solve the division for long divide method. So here is find the quotient. So you should write here, therefore 9336 divided by 3. Here is only on dividend, divisor and quotient. So what is the quotient? Quotient is only on 3112. That is the answer. Clear students? In this exercise you should write only on quotient. So here this is the quotient that I write here. Again I want to solve the same exercise, one more sum, the second portion, second part, sum number 1. I hope you will able to do this. Next, one more sum I want to do. This from part 2, sum number A 2064 divided by 2. 2064 divided by 2. So here is 2 1s are 2. What comes down? 0. So according to table of 2, here is mentioned 0. So you also put here 0. What comes down? 6. 2 3s are 6. And last 4. 2 2s are 4. Clear everyone? According, you can find the quotient same like this way. You should write here Therefore, dividend divided by divisor equal to quotient. Same this way, 2064 divided by 2, that is divisor, and quotient, that is equal to quotient, 1032. Clear, students? So this is the sum number 1 from part 2. So same like this way you should do the part 3 and 4 also from your notebook. Okay, then next I want to solve the exercise form. Please open the page number 113, exercise 5.7. Here is the part second sum, same. 58 divided by 5. Five ones are 5. What comes down? 8. 5 ones are again 5. So here is minus. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 3. So that's you should write only on quotient. Quotient here from, that is the symbol. Quotient equal to 11. Remainder equal to 3. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now I want to explain the exercise 5.7. 5.7, please open your book, page number 113. Divide using division and write the quotient and the remainder in each case. So all this sum, there is 6 portion. So each and every portion you will be sure only on write the quotient and the remainder in each case. In the previous video there is no remainder. On this video I want to show you what is the verification and what is the formula for remainder. So here is first sum, part 1, sum number A, 49 divided by 2. So 49 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4. What comes down here is 9, 2 4s are 8. So this. So this portion is called remainder. Clear, students? Like this way you should write here quotient equal to 24 and remainder equal to 1. Clear, everyone? Same like this way you should write the full exercise. I want to solve one more sum number B, 58 divided by 5. 58 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, here is 8. Again the same 5 ones are 5. And what is the remainder? That is from 3. After minus, here is remainder, that is 3. Clear, everyone? Same like this way you should write the quotient and remainder. So therefore quotient equal to what? Quotient is 11 and remainder equal to 3. Clear everyone? So this is called the quotient and remainder, because this exercise you should write only one quotient and the remainder in each case. So with the help of this way, with the help of this video, you should again watch and clear all the sum on your notebook. Now I want to discuss with you exercise 5.8. So I raise the board so I can do the next exercise from 5.8. In 5.8, sorry, divide the following and verify your answer. First of all, do the sum number A from first part. 96 divided by 3. So 96 divided by 3, here 3 3s are 9, and here is down this 6. 3 2s are 6. And this sum, here is verification. Verify the sum that I already discussed in my previous video. Dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient, then plus remainder. Clear students? So this is the formula from verification, the sum. So you should write here 96 equal to 3 multiply 32 plus 0. 32 multiply 3. Here is 6 and 9. So what is here? 96 plus remainder 0. So as it is same digit is there, 96. Clear? Okay students. Again I want to solve one more sum that clarify the remainder like this sum. So I should clean the board only this much. So I want to show you the same exercise 5.8 portion number 3, means part 3 sum number A. Part 3 sum number A. Here is 447 divided by 6. 447 divided by 6. So 44 is not able to reach the proper number. So you should use the below number, that is from 6 7s are 42 minus. Then 2, 4 minus 2, here is 2. And what comes down again? 7. Then again you should count the table of 6. 2 4s, 6 4s are 24. What is the remainder? That is 3. Same like that. This way you should write the proper digits. 447 equal to 6, 74 plus remainder. 447 is the dividend, 6 is the quotient, divisor, and 74 is quotient, plus what is plus? Remainder. So again 74 multiply 6, 4 4 4. So plus 3. What is comes? 4 4 7. This is the answer. Clear everyone? I hope you will understand by this way. and exercise 5.8, all the portion means 4 part is there. So you can do with the help of your parents on your notebook. Next is exercise 5.9. Here is only on find the quotient and remainder. Only 2 things you should write from this exercise. So I want to erase the board once again. Okay. Exercise 5.9 part 1, sum number A. 96 divided by 10. It's a very easy. In the table of 10 there is from 9 90 and the remainder is 6. So thus quotient equal to 96 and remainder equal to 6, only this much. So like this way you should able to do the fully exercise from exercise 5.9 on your book. So I want to discuss with you from the very last exercise 5.10. So I want to erase the board first of all, then I want to discuss with the 5.10 exercise. So open the page number 117. These are called the problem sum. So I want to solve first 2 sums, another the same method you can use with the same things and solve the sum. So first sum is a packet contain 8 biscuits. So how many packet will contain 440 biscuit, means 440 biscuits. So next 5.10 exercise, sum number 1. You should write here solution. A packet contain equal to 8 biscuits. And how many packets? So 440 biscuits will contain equal to 440 divided by how many biscuits? Here is 8. Same like this, you should write the division method, 440 divided by 8. So in the table of 8, here is from 5, 8 5s are 40. So minus what comes down? Here is on your 40. Again you should write here 8 5s are 40. What is remainder? Nothing else. Here is 0. So you should write the proper answer. In a 55 packet will contain how many biscuits? Here is 440. Clear everyone? So same like this, I want to solve once again the second sum. After that you should be practiced. Okay. Same exercise 5.10. The second sum, if 270 rupees are to be equally distributed among 9 beggars, how many rupees each beggar will get? So, second sum, solution portion is there. Then total number of rupees equal to 270. and the number of beggars equal to 9. So 270 divided by 9, 9 3s are 27. After that here is nothing, so you put 0 here, again here also 0. So the last thing is each beggar get 270 divided by 9 equal to how many? 30 rupees. Clear everyone? So I hope you will understand these like sum, that is called the problem sum. So according to equation you should write the solution portion same like this way according to the sum and write very carefully. And please once again see this video how to solve the sum and use with this method, and you can do all these sum on your notebook with the help of your parents. Thanks very much.